In this video, we will be talking about something that affects each and every one of us, sleep. We will be discussing why sleep is important for us and some tips on how to get a good sleep every night. Sleep is a vital component of our overall health and well-being. It is a necessary biological process that allows our bodies and minds to rest and recharge. When we sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate tissues, release hormones, and strengthen our immune system. Additionally, it allows us to retain and process new information and ideas. One of the most important reasons why sleep is good for people is because it helps our bodies to function properly. Sleep is a critical component in maintaining our physical health. It allows our bodies to repair damaged tissues and fight off illness. Furthermore, lack of sleep can lead to a weakened immune system and increased risk of developing diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Another important aspect of sleep is its effect on mental health. Getting enough sleep can improve our mood, our ability to concentrate, and our overall cognitive function. During sleep, our brain consolidates memories and learns new information. It also helps to regulate our emotions and can have a positive impact on our mental health. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating our metabolism and controlling weight. Lack of sleep can disrupt the hormones responsible for appetite, leading to an increased hunger and cravings. This can result in overeating and weight gain. Now let's move on to how to get a good sleep every night. I'm going to share with you some helpful tips and tricks to make your sleep experience better and more enjoyable. First things first, let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a peaceful and relaxing place that is conducive to sleep. Make sure that your room is at the right temperature, which is typically between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, make sure to invest in comfortable, supportive bedding and pillows to ensure you're getting the best sleep possible. Next up, let's talk about your sleeping habits. It's important to establish a regular sleep schedule, which means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends. Try to avoid caffeine, alcohol, and large meals close to bedtime, as these can disrupt your sleep quality. Instead, opt for healthier snacks, such as fruits or nuts, to satisfy your hunger before bed. It's also important to wind down before going to sleep. This could include reading a book, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. Avoiding electronics and screens for at least an hour before bed is also important, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Now, let's talk about exercise. Adding regular physical activity to your routine can help you sleep better, but it's important to keep in mind when you exercise. Try to avoid exercising within 3 hours of bedtime, as it may cause you to feel more awake and alert, making it difficult to fall asleep. Finally, let's discuss the importance of managing stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your sleep quality, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage it. This could include practicing meditation, doing yoga, or using relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises. In conclusion, a good night's sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. By creating a peaceful sleep environment, establishing healthy sleeping habits, winding down before bed, incorporating regular physical activity into our routines, and managing stress effectively, we can all achieve better sleep and feel more refreshed each day.